friends, welcome back to Pooja's Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make stuffed idli. It's a very healthy recipe. It's made of semolina, suji, yogurt. These are the peppers, red and green chilies. These are optional. If you want to make it more spicy, then you can add green chilies. If not, then you can just leave it. Curry leaves, bit of red chili powder, mustard seeds, grated carrots, coriander leaves, and oil and salt. So now we are just going to make idli now. Let's get started. First of all, I'm going to show you how to make the batter. So I'm taking yogurt, 3 big spoons of yogurt. I'm going to whisk this. This should be plain nicely. If we need more, then we can add later. I'm now whisk the yogurt. I've already done this. I'm going to add warm water to it. I always use hot water or warm water. It's better to use. See, I'm going to whisk it and mix the water properly. So I've used one bowl of water to the yogurt. Now I'm going to add these 2 bowls of semolina. This is approximately 250 grams, so its total is 500 grams of semolina. I'm going to mix this. Keep whisking this. We'll keep on adding slowly and slowly so that there are no lumps in the batter. You don't have to put all together, once at a time. Yeah. It's going to be mixed now. Yeah, this batter looks quite thick to me, so I'm going to add more water to fix the consistency. Some more. Now this batter looks, see, this is a flowing consistency. This is the consistency we need to make soft idli. Yeah. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to leave this batter for 30 minutes almost. Then we are going to make idli. This batter is ready now. I left it for half an hour. Now we are ready to use other ingredients. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, a little bit more. Now I'm going to show you three most important ingredients. Give it a good mix with salt first. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to use Eno, which is fruit salt, Eno fruit salt. I'm going to use 2 regular packs. I'm going to put this here, another one here, almost half a teaspoon, 3/4 teaspoon of sugar, and quickly mix it. These all three ingredients we should use together. There's some sort of reaction taking place, so this gives a very soft texture to the idli. See, you see the bubbles? You don't have to whisk it too much, and just keep stirring it in the same direction. Like set up the idli stand now. See the bottom I have put, it's like almost 1 inch of water. Now this water I have kept it for boiling, so we can keep our idli stand inside. The next step is we are going to grease our idli stand with oil. This I have made ready for stuffing, which I showed you earlier. Grated carrots. These are very finely chopped green capsicums and red peppers, and coriander. I'm going to add a bit of salt to it because already there is salt in idli, and red chili powder. Half a teaspoon of red chili powder. If you want more spicy, you can add more. I'm going to pour this idli batter in these molds. Half batter I'm going to put now and half later. Now what we are going to do is, I'm going to put this filling which I've made here like this. Now again cover this with batter. Now we are going to put this in the idli stand. This mold in the idli stand, and I'm going to steam it for 12 to 14 minutes on high flame. First 2-3 minutes on high flame, then I'm going to use medium flame. I'm going to close the lid now and let it steam. Check the idli friends, because like it's been already 12 to 14 minutes now. Let me open and check. Wow, see, this is quite fluffy, and we can check it whether it is cooked properly or not. We just put the knife there, and if it comes clean, then it means it's cooked. So it's ready. So I'm going to take it out. Yeah, now I'm going to take out these idlis with a wet spoon. You can just dip a spoon or a knife, and then you can just scoop out. See. These idlis are ready now. See, these are very, very soft. See the texture, see, these are super soft. Now I'm going to cut them and show you the stuffing inside. It looks lovely. I'm going to put some mustard seeds on it with some curry leaves. These are ready to serve. You can serve with ketchup, chutney, or also you can have like that. This can be served in brunch or maybe in breakfast. This looks lovely. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Please comment and let me know if you like it.